All right, so the first thing you want to do when you got a stubborn pan like that, right, is we want to get this water hot and hot. Hotter than you go. We're going to let the water do the work. Get some of those crusties out. And again, this pan was sitting out overnight, and this is what I made that spaghetti casserole, so it's very acidic. So this is a good test on what to do when your cast iron is left out overnight. You have to take care of it. So you're gonna get all these crusties, best you can. You're screwing. I don't know if you know this or not, but my wife's a Harry Potter fan. You can see that. I don't even know what that means. Something like that. You like Harry Potter? That's her thing. It's not mine. But anyway, so we're gonna screw it. We're gonna get all this crustiness out. Yes, we can. I hope you had a good day. I mean, for me, it's the day after Labor Day because I did that video. And, going back to work after a long holiday for a lot of us isn't always fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Put food on the table. Anyway, you're gonna let the tool do the work, and the hot water is the trick. All that off. Drip it in a tub, drop it in a tub. And I like to use wood. I like to use wood utensils and cast iron because I think wood utensils are the best thing to keep your seasoning on there. That's just my take. I mean, I've watched several other people use different things like stainless and all that, but I just I don't want to ruin all that goodness. And so if you got a good seasoned cast iron pan, then what I'm doing right now, a lot of times is all you got to do. So anyway, so I want you to see, just scrubbing right there. That's what she looks like. But we're gonna do the next thing, and I'm gonna show you how I like to take care of my cast iron when I'm done cooking for the night, which I should have done last night. Anyway, so hang in there. On to the next step. So what I like to do, I like to go ahead and heat up the burner. And then I like to use like some kosher salt. I mean, if you don't have kosher salt, I mean, you could do, I wouldn't do regular salt, but just a little bit like that. Because there's still some water in there from when you were washing it. And I just want to kind of basically get all the goo off. It's like any leftover goo. I just want to get it off. And honestly, I thought, with that being overnight, I thought I was going to have to, I thought I was going to have to do more scrubbing. That just shows you, if you have a well-seasoned cast iron pan, then all your cleaning is a lot easier. You get the salt out. Come on now. Come on now. Evaporate. We're going to heat that up. And while we're doing that, this is what I like to do. I mean, everybody has their own way, but you know what? I've been cooking on cast iron for, I don't know, a good 10 plus years. And you know what? Nobody's died over cast iron sickness, anything like that. And so now I just want to redistribute that oil. And I'm using that canola oil because, I mean, it's got a good smoke point. I think I showed you all that on my seasoning video. And I don't know, it's clean to me, and it's affordable. It's not like all those other fancy oils. And so anyway, we're going to just do this thing while it's warming up. This isn't advisable to do this first, but either way, you want to get the whole pan before it gets hot, and the handle. All right. If you're in the Fallout universe, you gotta have a good pan to cook your rad scorpion meat on, or your rad roach, or whatever. So we want to take care of the one thing that we have. And so, I mean, I'm letting that do its thing. Another little run. And you can see right there, hardly anything. That's a well-seasoned cast iron pan, and that's what you do when you cook on it regular. Even though I left that spaghetti with all that acidicness overnight. I'm going to show you this baby right here. Put this on because it's hot. Look at that. I mean, you can almost see my face. You see my face in the background? In that? That's pretty. Right there. Bite. That's all you got to do. And then I'm just going to turn off the burner. Let her cool off. Stick her to the back. And now when I want to do some cooking, she's ready. Huh? East Texas duct tape. Thank you and God bless.